Ruelas here, and welcome to my online course, Make Reality TV Your Reality. Now, inside this course, you're going to learn everything you need to know to position yourself to get cast and leverage your entire reality singing competition experience. As a performing artist consultant and reality TV music coach, I coach and work with clients every single day inside their music careers, inside their music businesses, and I teach them skills and strategies to get them on shows like The Voice, American Idol, and even America's Got Talent. Now, I want to take you inside the course so that you can see exactly what you're going to get. So right now, I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside Make Reality TV Your Reality. So the very top, we're going to be talking about the lead up. So there's 3 components of this course. We talk about the lead up to the audition and everything you need to prepare leading up to game day. And then we move into the during the audition process. This includes callbacks. This includes who you're auditioning for and what to expect. And lastly, the post audition. Did you make it? Did you get cut before your time? And what's next? Most importantly, understanding that you can leverage this experience and use it as a launch pad for your music career. So through the top of this, for the lead up, we have let this make you, not break you. The number one thing you need to know, we're going to be clarifying your brand, understanding your artist vibe, really having a true understanding of who you are as an artist before you step foot on that audition stage. There's this video, what you haven't thought about, creative image and branding. This video is amazing. It features Megan Devon Funk, who's the director of Dallas Love Stories, this incredible indie artist platform here in Dallas, where you can feature local artists. It's just amazing. And we're gonna just keep on going. So we also have the lead up to your big audition, understanding the importance of becoming a warrior, of discipline, pre-audition success tips, the importance of story. I say it over and over again. This show is more than just your voice. It is about the whole package, and your story is equally as important. We have game day. So here we are, the during the audition game day tips, and of course the post audition, understanding that this is not the end. Wherever the end of the road is for you, this is not the end. It's just the beginning. So I take you through all of that. And my favorite section, this bonus section at the end, where I interview one-on-one past reality contestants, where they give you their input and their opinion on the most important things that you need to know before you step foot into this reality singing show environment. So this course is going to eliminate the guesswork. There's going to be no wondering what to expect. It's also going to take away the frustration and whining when they only give you 15 seconds to show them your voice, because you will have positioned yourself to get cast, get noticed, and create momentum in your music career through this reality singing show platform. I can't wait to see you inside the course. Have an awesome day.